You know how.
Is that what works?
Push down when you turn it. Put it on the screw. Push it down. And press the button. There you go.
A little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more.
More. It won't work.
Push it down when you're turning it. Put it on the screw and push it down. Then press the button. No, push it down. There you go. Push the drill down more. How about you try a different bit?
I know. This one was frog weaver.
Try it.
Oops. Can you fix it for me? I just can't do it.
There you go.
Okay. It still doesn't work. I'm going to try this one.
Try it now. I loosened it.
Oh. Oh, now I'm going to do the wheels.
Okay.
I don't know how to take the wheels off.
You have to unscrew them. But you gotta change the bit.
Can you fix it? Well, I'm going to do something else.
You finished? Don't you want to put it back together?
Can you put it back together for me?
All right.
I have other work to do.
You have other